Father.
What you say?
Yeah man, give thanks,
Give
no?
thanks, you know?
Yeah man, all the time. Father God blessing, you know?
Yeah. Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid. We all know Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica. It was a disaster with the Jamaican farmers. So a company reached out to me through my platform by the name of JFSO, Jamaican Farmers Supporting Organization. So they are donating 100 chickens, 5 bags of feed, 1 water container and 2 feeders. So I just want to take the time out to thank you for reaching out to our beautiful people in Jamaica times like these. So I want to say a special thank you for doing this for our Jamaican people. And remember guys, the company name by JFSO, Jamaican Farmers Support Organization. Please check out their website and see what they have to offer, and always remember, each one help one. So please support each other in times like these. Thank you guys. So you can stick and stay and look out for the video that's coming. Thank you. So yes, my beautiful people, so I reached the location where I am going to pick up the chickens, which is donated, well, sponsored from a company from overseas, New York to be specific, and the company name of JFSO, Jamaican Farmers Support Organization. Yeah man, so pick up on yourself in the one day. So we're going to pick up the chickens them right now and make a delivery to that lucky one who get affected in Hurricane Melissa. Yeah man, that's so hard one, alright? Pick up on yourself. So guys, I am on my way to this special person, and I know a lot of Jamaica farmers being affected by Hurricane Melissa, and this company is really doing a good job for our Jamaican people, and the company name is JFSO, stands for Jamaican Farmers Support Organization, and this company located in New York. So yes, and this company doing a lot for Jamaican farmers. So check out the websites. I'm gonna keep on saying it. Just visit the websites. I'm gonna leave the link in the description also, so you can check out the websites. I know farmers lose 15 heads of goats, as in ram goats, and like a lot of chickens, and this company donating 100 chickens, also 5 bags of feed, 2 water container and 2 feed container. And just want to say again, touch my heart to see when somebody can reach out our Jamaican people. And until today, a lot of people cannot recover from this disaster. So we are out there on the ground also. Company reaching out to us, and we are doing a good job. So keep on watching.
Morning, folks. Yes, bless up, you know. You don't know, so it's a good look in the afternoon. You big up Fire Reid. No company farm one more time again.
So yes, man, one question I want to ask you now. After Hurricane Melissa, you know say a whole lot of things happen, you know. You know say your face, you know you lose a lot. So how much you lose, how much chicken you lose and everything?
Boy, I lose about 150, you know.
Yeah.
All the things survive and the bird them.
The bird them survive.
Yeah.
So your chicken them couldn't manage you with that. So the bird them survive.
I didn't know that the water would have come that much, you know. He come right over and I could drown off everything. When you see left here now, and my brother support me with 2 layer fowl and thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
Still want to pick up back the thing, cause from the time they nothing now go and things get rough. Sunshine, everything, every tree pop down, so everything we can't put back no chicken and nothing yet. Till see me right now, me out there so I have to build a shed for the thing. Cause without that, sun never kill them. I don't make no sense. Put back things, some bird in a year and then them gone again. No make no sense.
Yeah, man, you hear your man say, you don't know, so today lucky day, you know. You don't know. You don't know. So yes, Mr. Omar, yeah man. So you know what happened today? Today is one of your lucky day. So I am here to give you some good news from JFCO. They receive information that need help to replenish your chicken after Hurricane Melissa. Yeah man, JFCO, Jamaica Farmers Support Organization, located in New York, would like to set up to step up your plate and donate 100 chicken, 5 bags of feed.
What you say, man?
Yeah man, and
how with the backside?
1 water container,
how you
2
say?
feed
Real
container. Yeah man.
Right, you know the idea, really.
Right, you know the idea.
How you say, Father,
Yes,
Fire Reid, big up yourself,
Yeah,
you.
man,
Yo, yo, me I tell you, and give thanks to them supporters, them people, they end up give thanks to Jamaica Farmers
man.
Support Organization, big up themselves here. Enough love. Me never know say things like this would have really happen, but me because I see a smile back on my face again.
Yeah, man.
And my birthday, my smile catch them. Yo, enough respect and love. Big up the people them in the world where I subscribe to Fire Reid. Big up on yourself. Without you know, things wouldn't possible right now. This evening.
Man. So we say company name again?
Jamaican Farmers Support Organization. Big up on yourself, you know.
Yeah, man. From
all
New
the
York.
time, you know.
From New York.
Straight yo. Big up on yourself, like yo, it's a drive for me right now. Big
Yeah,
up,
man.
big up.
Yeah, man says
Yeah,
a joy for him, you know, because you know what? A lot of people affected by the storm and some people can't come back out now.
Say, man.
And from this company reach out to us, doing a good job for our Jamaican people, which is JFSO, Jamaica Farmers Support Organization. Reach out to Fire Reid on the channel, and this is where this company is giving back to Jamaica through their platform, through their website and stuff. So I want to say thank you all for the support, and yeah man, so I'm going to bring out the goodies them and you see what I go on. This was a surprise for him, you know?
Yeah man, all the four them glass, see they all an egg a while ago, because situation cold, nothing now go on the business slow, so
yes,
you can
man.
see how the egg them small, I just one nowadays, you know?
Right,
big up, you know?
So
yeah man.
go for the chicken and now on the feed.
How I say, man, right away, man,
right
I carry all
away.
everything for me head rasta.
Yeah, man.
Everything, me I tell you. Bless up yourself, fams, you know?
Yeah,
in
man.
the world, you don't know, me there, man.
Yeah,
Giving thanks, you know? Strength.
Strength, you know? Yeah man, you see it?
Yeah, man.
The man ready and feel happy receiving all them goodies them, you see it?
Oh, God, man.
100 chickens.
Father, God.
Yeah
you know?
man, so you see again the boss?
Yeah, man, the bird them.
There.
The bird them there again, man.
Yeah,
the
man.
bird them live again,
Yeah,
man.
man.
You know? Yeah, the bird them. Mwah.
What you say?
Yeah, man, give thanks, you know?
Give thanks, you know?
Yeah, man, all the time. Father God blessing, you know?
Yeah,
you know,
man.
you have put them on there first, you know?
Yeah man, so
Yeah,
hit
man.
this now,
Yeah,
Mr. Omar Lewis, so
Yeah, man, all the while, you know?
yeah man, so I hope we see some progress, and you know we'll check back and see if everything alright, and hopefully one day they can expand the farm at a bigger level You understand? You get 100 today, so maybe you never can tell you get 200 and expand the farm. So you have more chicken so you can supply people.
2 weeks time, man, them a bird, man, them nice, man, you know?
Yeah.
Right, you know, yo, I go clean out the cupboard and thing, because you see, true, me never really know, say, this a come after me today. So right now, I go get the nurse to clean out and thing, you know?
Yeah, man.
Right, so no hitching, you know?
So big up the sponsor again.
Yeah, man, Jamaica Farmers
Support Organization.
Big up on yourself, you know?
Yes, man.
All the time.
All the time.
Blessing, you know?
Blessing, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Tell the Rasta love from my heart, you know?
Yeah, man.
Love
So you really appreciate it and big up on yourself anywhere now watch them. See boss there. Boss are going to see them. Yeah, man.
I'm going to put them in right now, you know?
Yes, man.
Love on our people, love on the world, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Say
man.
boss, thankful for that.
Big up yourself, right, you
Right,
1 million
yeah,
times,
man.
you know?
All right,
You
sir.
don't know you, what your God bless, you know?
Yeah, man. So you don't know. One love or one heart. Keep saving people. One love.